Okay, so we're back in here because we can be, and for some reason my other video having this game seems to be doing really well. So we're back on here. I don't even know. There's a lot of stuff I could add, but I don't know. There's a lot of things to do in this game. If you ever want like a actual cool car crash game, you should play this. It's really fun. I think what I'm gonna do though is have a car jump a house. That seems like something fun I could do. So let's see. Is there any like ramps? No, but there's a wedge. Could that possibly work? Let's just resize it. Let's resize it, make it a lot taller, wider. Move it back a little, never mind. I need like a smooth incline, because if it just goes straight up, the car's gonna die. It's not gonna live. Let's just have something like this. Oh, because this is like straight down the road. And see what happens when a car jumps through that. Oh, this isn't gonna end well. I guess what I can do is just make one go straight here. See what happens. I decided to start making 2 videos a day after most of my, wait, how do I activate drive mode? Drive mode. Okay. After most of my videos don't do well, so I'd much rather post 1 or 2 times a day than just 1 time every few days. Makes sense, right? Right? Yeah, it makes sense. Oh, go. Okay. I'm scared. Whoa. Whoa. It doesn't have like it has like no gravity. It's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to go straight. Okay. That wasn't exactly a jump. Let's do something like let's do a bike. Let's see how a motorcycle does on the jump. Give it 400. No, but this is a vehicle. Okay, here we go with the bike. Oh god, it already hit a bump. Wait, I can make it hit flips. Just gonna make it a bit taller real quick. Oh, man. Oh, no, that's just a wall. It actually went up it. That's crazy. I want to see how high it can jump. First, I can make it super tall, and then off to the side, or like that. Is it like you're just gonna hit it? Oh no. Okay. That is not what I wanted. Let's just put it like to the side like that. It should work, right? Yeah, it's gonna work. Okay, no, it's not gonna work apparently. What happened? Just put it into the ground a little, maybe that'll. Yes, it is. It's a motorcycle right there. There you go. Oh, whoa, whoa. Maybe we do a car instead. That makes more sense. Oh, I forgot to give it a speed. Okay then. It's not what I meant to do. Maybe if I make it like way shorter. Maybe if I just make it like a straight line. Nope. That's not supposed to happen. Like at all. Let's just make like a very low ramp and see what happens. Just like crush it up. Do it like that. This is not gonna hit it. Yes, it is. It's literally a car. What am I hitting? Nothing was selected. Dude, it's right there. There we go. No! How about I just try to like drift? I try to like turn in time. Okay. Sorry about that. What if I were to just, I don't know, make like a line of cars going the same speed? You know, just like duplicate it a few times. Just put a line of the same car. I'll do one more. And I'll be the leading one. Okay. We almost landed on the train. Okay, I need to move the wedge a little. That's... Sorry about that again. But... yeah, I had to mute my mic for a bit. Sorry. So I just cut an entire chunk, but... there is a ramp now. It's pretty cool. Make it dark red. And I think I'm gonna clone the cars a few more times, because I don't want, like, a bunch of cars flying overhead for what I'm about to do. Clone. Clone. Let's see how this turns out, you know? It's not gonna end well. Okay. What if I replace that with just a wall? Just a wall. What if I just make it a wall? And now it's a wall. It's like a barrier. I'm gonna like somehow still ramp it up. It's like a snake. Now I need to remember where the, sorry if that was loud. Now I need to remember where the... There they were. Ragdolls. Okay. So I want the camera to be this guy. And make him walk to that stop sign. And that's not what I clicked. Walk to that stop sign right there. Whatever. The fence works too. And let me attach a camera to him real quick. On rotation with this dude. It's not aligning the rotation at all. Let's see. And then we'll focus on the front car there. Oh crap, whoops. Ah! Actually, no, don't walk at all. I'm gonna put you, like, on this porch. I'll put you, like, right here. Ooh, maybe if he's crossing the street. No, that'd be better. If he's... Why is the camera sideways on his head? Oh well. He'll be walking from there to that house. Oh, no, not the trees. To that house. I guess honestly it doesn't matter which way it's facing. As long as it's on this dude's head. It's not even attached. There. Now it should be attached. Oh, I think what I have to do is put it like down and in front of his face. Like that. And then in front of his face like that. I could make like a GoPro. To where he's holding it like a GoPro. Is that straight up and down? Oh crap, now it's not going straight up and down. I guess, again, doesn't really matter. Okay. This is not getting easy. Rotate. 0.1. Okay, that looks about right. I don't know if you can hear that. That's how I have to hear every morning. That's the garage door opening, because I'm right above it. Okay. Well, that's the full clip. Let's... There we go. Full clip. I'll probably cut that out and put it into a short or something. Or maybe I'll just put this into a short. Just like... What I could do is move this guy a little bit farther back. So that he actually gets hit by the cars. Oh my god! He has no gravity! Okay. That's the part I'm putting into a short. There's no way. I want to see what that looks like from his point of view. Holy crap. Well, I created a car crash. That's what the people like to see.